This is what it's like to travel Bali during rainy season.
What? Raining season in Bali.
Looking at Google, the rainy season in Bali starts between November and March. And without doing this research beforehand, I have decided to travel to Bali on the 1st of November. But why? Well, long story short, I traveled to Bali to be in the Creator House opening event to meet more cool and like-minded people. So after the opening night party, the next day, I plan to meet up with a couple of new friends, Marcus and Lucas, at the monkey forest in Ubud. But then, this is a little bit of a problem. It's pouring way too hectic. I'm completely soaked. I'm not sure if we can even make it to Ubud to the monkey forest with the guys. Oh, the guy doesn't speak English. Okay, but they're out of raincoats. All right, I guess this is where we decide either we go back or we keep going. Hey, what's the weather over there? What the heck? Look what I'm dealing with right now. Okay, the rain is not stopping anytime soon. It's been a while already. It's been 10 minutes. So I think the only option for us right now is to just full send it. It's pouring rain! It's closed, we didn't make it. So after meeting up with the boys, we came up with another plan to follow this guy, Wyan, who has his own Luwak coffee farm. Now, if you've seen the movie known as
The Bucket List,
just like me, you will have heard of
Kopi Luwak, rarest beverage in the world.
But I've never tried it before, and it sounds pretty interesting, so we followed him. Hello. Alright, that's the only monkey we're seeing today. But then what happened next, this is where I'm gonna need you to pay a little attention to the road that we were riding on. Oh, it's raining again! Yep, as you can see, this is how fast the rain can suddenly kick in. Whoa! This is the most high-paying staff for coffee. This right here is a real luwak. Woo! At nighttime, they let these guys out and they hunt for the best quality coffee bean they can find. They eat it, and what they digest and poop out, that becomes the coffee bean. So the full experience we had with Wyan was an introduction of the making of the Luwak coffee bean.
This is after come out, sit the poo. It's already clean pass with the cool water. Then the process is like this traditional. Like this one, yeah?
and then if you want to try, it just you 50,000 rupiahs for 1 cup.
Then was a taste test with a whole set of a variety of tea and coffee. Smells like jello. Just try to show it on your face. That's good. Interesting. Oh, this is really nice. Bali coffee, right there.
We're not using filtering, so still have coffee powder in the cup.
And at last, the Luwak coffee.
The Luwak coffee. Oh. Okay, now you can open grand finale.
Yeah, it's the grand finale. Alright, this is it. Woohoo! This is the most expensive coffee in the world. It's not bitter at all. No. Yeah, there's no bitterness from the coffee. 一点都不苦哎。I got a mouthful of coffee.
It's okay, this is Look at your teeth.
My teeth?
Yes.
Yeah, it's full of what?
This is coffee powder. And it's okay.
Okay. That's not what you just told me.
This is the shit coffee.
One more thing. I think you have the coolest T-shirt I've ever seen.
Yes.
Look. Cappuccino.
And this is my job, yeah?
Yeah, and then when you turn around, he's a poo hunter. So besides coffee, do you sell this T-shirt or
Not yet.
Oh, you should sell it. This is a really cool T-shirt.
谢谢.
Thank you, 谢谢.
再见.
Now, if you ask me, I think joining Wyan is a pretty good change of plans for a rainy day. And it's raining again. So we had to stop by to the convenience store real quick just to grab the raincoat. The people in there are super nice. You are very funny. What's your name? You're so kind. What's your name? Icha.
Yes.
It's very nice meeting you.
Oh, thank
yes,
you.
you are so nice.
Yes. What is your name?
Gilbert.
Oh, difficult. Very good.
Gil? Gil.
Kill.
Gil. Yeah. Gil. Gil.
Kill.
Gil.
Kill.
Yeah.
Kill.
Gil. Simpler.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. But based on what we learned on that day, the rain kicks in at around 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So to get a little bit more of the clear sky and to avoid tourists, we started the next day at 6 a.m.
Up and early.
That was a 2-hour nap.
7 a.m. We made it. All right, so today me and the boys and the girl, we're gonna start from Ubud and we're gonna try to hit as many spots, including the rice fields and the waterfalls.
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
So this is the trek to Leke Leke waterfall.
When you visit these natural sites during rainy season, just remember to watch your step because it can get really wet and muddy.
Oh, wow, okay. This is like it's gonna eat your slippery, like muddy. Let's take our time.
I would know because I actually had an accident because of this.
What?
But that's a story for another upcoming video, so this is your reminder to subscribe.
And here we are. Welcome to Leke Leke. This is the whole reason why we wake up at 6 in the morning, because we are the only ones here right now. Alright, that's a wrap on our shoot in Leke Leke. So we got there very early just because we want to be there before everybody shows up, because it's still a really popular tourist site. Somewhere around like 8:30 to 9 o'clock, people are already starting to show up.
Wait, did we walk through here?
I feel like I'm walking into someone else's house. I think we got lost on our way back. Where are we going? We definitely did not pass here. I guess it will just work out somehow. Hey, chickens. Ah, there you go. That's our motorcycle.
The things you have to check out when you visit Bali. One is definitely the waterfalls, and the other is the rice fields.
Alright, next stop, Jatiluwih.
For a visit to the big rice field, Jatiluwih, you will be charged 40,000 per person on the way. And then another follow-up station where they collect your tickets. Not only are the people in Bali extremely nice, but also you can make them very happy if you can say just one word in their native language. Now, although the sky is as clear as it could be, there is still that little gray area at the corner that could come at us at any second.
This is nuts. Okay, I will have a body coffee. I want to try this one. Yeah, thank you. Sounds good. Oh, thank you very much.
Suksuma. Ah, okay.
The Suksuma Muali is you're welcome.
Oh, Suksuma Muali.
Yeah. Thank you is Suksuma.
Yeah.
You're welcome is Suksuma Muali.
Suksuma Muali.
Ah, they're so nice. I need to show you the view. Are you ready? Welcome to Jatiluwih. It's time to film. Alright, it's starting to rain again, so we're saying goodbye to Jatiluwih and we're gonna head somewhere that we know we can still shoot during the rain. I'm yawning already. We only slept 2 hours last night. So this right here is Tis Cafe. It is one of the most recommended places for us to come here and film.
The bamboo structure itself is already mind-blowing, but it also faces an amazing rice field that is arguably even more beautiful than Jatiluwih.
Hopefully we can get some really good shots. Lucas, can I ask you to explain what this means in your country?
This means pea in Danish. So it's the Peeing Cafe. Yeah. It's a pretty funny name.
This looks beautiful.
They say the adventure doesn't start until something goes wrong. Well then, let's just say this is where the adventure begins. And no, this time it was not because of the rain. That will come in a little bit later.
Okay, critical low battery. I'm playing it back. Oh shit, it's dropping. Oh, it's landing. Oh, thank God it's land. Okay, it's okay.
Is it landing in a tree?
No, it's on land. It's on land. Up. Yeah, it's land. It's land. Oh shit. Water. And it started raining. Okay, can I go down? Okay. Okay, who knew this would be a drone recovery mission, bro? I see it. Yeah. Oh shit, I'm so lucky. Hold on. It's literally right in the hole over there. It's sitting right there. Okay, I got it. Tackle. Got it?
Oh, you got it. You got it. Wow, that's really lucky.
No, it's not soaked in water, so whew. All right. Thank you. They got this infinity pool over here. It's gonna be perfect for filming. Too bad you have to spend a certain amount of money to be able to swim, but walking on the edge should be okay. It's now turning into a professional Instagram model photo shoot. Alright, I think that's a wrap. Now, 1.5 hour scooter ride.
Yeah.
In the pouring rain. Alright, let's go home. Okay, so this is what Lucas sees when he's riding the motorcycle.
When there's coming a car ahead of me, this is my view.
Oh my god. Raining season in Bali. Yeah, that's right, yeah. There we go. Oh, shit. One. Yep. Two. Thank you. 46. Thank you. We're finally nearby the house, but I found this street food and about what is this? Potato. This is tempeh. What is tempeh? Oh. Ah, 是什么? Doupi. So it's like a tofu skin. And what is this? Forget about it. Yeah. Forget about it. One forget about it. Yeah. 7,000. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We made it home. Oh, and it started raining again.
In the end, I guess all I can say is, whether it's raining or not raining, it's the weather. It's not something you can actually control. A bad weather should not be the reason to stop you from having fun. It can be completely overlooked with the right mood and with the right people. The weather should not have stopped you for going on adventures either, which is why on this night we are also getting ready to climb one of the active volcanoes in Bali. So,
it is now 11 p.m. Our next day starts at 1 a.m. So it's 2 hours from now. I'm gonna enjoy my forget about it and I guess I'll see you soon.